Skeng answer the girl, I want to my youth. You see me if you don't send the girl credit, don't send the girl credit, but answer the girl, man, don't run the girl, I want to. But you don't know where blow. Carter said, chica, what?
That's the boy. Y'all come and make a talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and a couple rotis. It's a girl and a sick kissing up.
Come here, girl, make we talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap panty.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smashing out. You already know. Yeah, man, people, you see from the title, you already know what we're dealing with today. You already know the vibes. But before we even get into that, I just want to ask that you take this time to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm and get my videos out to new people and new viewers and help my channel grow. So I really appreciate if you take this time to hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps the channel out. You know, yes, guys, from the title. You see me, you know where I deal with today. You don't know so there with an artist that's no stranger, staying stranger to the channel, and you don't know so I burn up the streets, I do be mad things. We do songs like Rain Like Heal, Canada, and the last one we did was what? Taliban. Yeah, man. Who me talk about people here, man, I'm talking about Skeng. Yeah, man, I put in a video a couple hours ago entitled Curves, a song and video. I'm gonna check it out and see what I go on today, because I don't know, Skeng always are doing thing, you know, people, and I always drop some mad tune with some mad vibes, and he's really, you know, always trending, you know, I always want to prove people. I ain't gonna lie, I got the new generation that chokehold right now, you see me? They might do them thing, I'm one of the top contenders in dancehall right now, so everything in job people want to tune in and see what I want. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna check out Skeng new video and song entitled Curves, see what I want. You know, see if you must keep on that level, keep consistent with that quality of music and the growth, you know what I'm saying? Because we all got high hopes for him and he shows great promise. So we're not gonna hold it no longer, we're gonna jump right into the song. We're gonna jump right into the song. This is Skeng Curves. Let's get it.
Y'all come and make a talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and a couple rotis. It's a girl.
You don't know we like when the girl am going to buy the video there, you don't know.
And a sick kissing up syphilis. Smooth ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, but you suck on this. Short in your head, make your life span this. You got the curves in the waist.
Curves in
pretty face, yeah.
Watch out. How your friend, Mama? Mama, who your friend? Your friend look like I want the dolly them. Yo. Friend. Link up.
I'm at them for days. Be a face giant.
Watch out.
I just stay. Ring my bird in the time I play. Yo, dog, me I tell a girl slim and she fat. But she bad.
Yo, people, should we take this one from top, dog? We have to take the one from top, man. Oh, I'm telling you, enough things are going on in the video, yeah.
Talk about this.
Skeng answer the girl, I want to my youth. You see me if you don't send the girl credit, don't send the girl credit, but answer the girl, man, don't run the girl, I want to. But you don't know where blow. Carter said, chica, what?
That's the boy. Y'all come and make a talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap panty. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and a couple rotis. It's a girl and a sick kissing up.
Come here, girl, make we talk about this. Oh, you're so good up in Nigeria.
syphilis. Smooth ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, which is up on this. Short in your better make your life span this. You got the curves in the waist. Pretty face, you're mad them for days.
You friend on the left, me like him, I'm not lie, more know you. Yo, link up.
Be a face, dry eyes, just stay. Ring my bird in the time, my play. Yo, dog, me, I tell a girl slim or she fat. But she bad, my friend, not she hot.
Hey, but she bad, my not she hot. Hey.
She look talking on neat like a frog. Beat your chest, cause you know you can't flop. Y'all come and make you talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap and cheap. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and couple.
Come on, girl, make you talk about this.
This is a girl and she kissing up syphilis. Smooth ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, which is up on this. Short in your better make your life
12 furlong, eh?
span this. So I'ma cock it up. We make the pussy boss.
Yeah, that.
You know what's so rough. I'm in
Rough. Oh, I'm too no.
a ramping up. Feel me lifestyle sweet like honey bunch. And everything well curry like curry god. I'm another nina. I hear we every out. Y'all come and make you talk.
So everything curry like curry goat, I'm too no.
Oh, this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap and cheap. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and couple roasties. It's a girl and she kissing up syphilis. Smooth ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, which is up on this. Short in every time make your life span.
Easy that one.
Y'all come and make you talk about this. Oh, you suck a cup in a cheap and cheap. Say you have a man and him not tell about this. Buy a couple jars and couple roasties. It's a girl and she kissing up syphilis. Smooth
Girl, you know sicky and have syphilis. Easy now, man.
ship sailing in the Pacific. 12 furlong, which is up on this. Short in your better make your life span this. Yo, God, your car. You don't know the blood.
You have reached a
Love
number
vibes. Mama tick up and thing in her blow. Cheetah bird.
that has
Hey.
been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Easy now. Yeah, man, real mad tune. Yeah, see me real dope track. Skeng, send the girl credit. Stop growing a woman. I'm telling my one always I like to woman. I'm telling you, still get straight up say, yo, rare, equivalent, exchange. But you know, me G, yeah, man, real dope track. Skeng, people tell me what I think about that one, yeah. Definitely drop the garbage can or fire emoji. And if you like the song, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make him know say at Jambisco send you know. Yeah, see me make you know so no part of the latest reaction family on YouTube. Yeah, see me. Yeah, man, tell them say be a vibes and thing and I love and support to deal with them. I grow the channel over here. And yeah. But yeah, man, people know one thing about the track and everything. Definitely drop the fire garbage can emoji. Definitely let me know what you want me to react to next and what you want to see on the channel. I'll definitely get it done. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate the love and support, guys. We're going strong over here steadily. We're shooting for the stars and the moon. Now we're coming to take over the YouTube galaxy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, them on people keep it going, keep it grinding. You know what I'm saying? You know, we keep an eye on the prize. And we're not worried about the hate of them. You know what I'm saying? So definitely let me know what you like about the song. About the video, whether it's the beat, the lyrics, melody, artists, visuals, whatever it is, definitely drop it in the comment section so we can talk about it, chop it up, you know what I'm saying, get to know each other. Drop the flags, drop the country you're watching from, drop everything your ethnicity in your background, you know, I'm gonna talk on, you know, we are family over here, so you don't know it's about Jambisco out here, then I hit and I smashing a banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.